Now I am taking an example where we will apply the converse of BPT, converse of Thales theorem. What is that important example? It is using converse of BPT prove that line segment joining midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. So in order to show according to what given, we will make a figure. That is, first of all, we will draw a triangle. Let us suppose triangle is PQR. Question is using converse of BPT. We will use converse. We need to prove that line segment joining midpoints of two sides. Suppose midpoint of PQ is M and midpoint of PR is N. Line segment which joins midpoints of two sides, this is MN. We need to show that this line segment MN is parallel to the third side QR. Triangle is PQR. There are three sides, one is PQ, other is PR and third is QR. Midpoint of PQ is M, midpoint of PR is N. We want to show that this line segment MN is parallel to QR. In order to show it, we have to use which theorem? Converse of BPT. First of all, I will write here given. What is given? In triangle PQR, M and N are midpoints of PQ and PR respectively. This is given. What we need to prove, what we need to show, we want to prove that this line segment which is joining the midpoints of the two sides is parallel to third side, that is MN is parallel to QR. This we need to show, this we need to prove. Now for the solution, for the proof, I have that M is the midpoint of QR. As M is midpoint of the side, that is which one? PQ. M is midpoint of PQ. So this implies PM is equals to QM. PM is equals to QM, or if I divide both sides by QM, what I will find? PM upon QM is equals to 1, because QM 1's are QM. This is the equation number 1. Now if I go to see the side PR, as I can write here, as N is midpoint of PR. N is midpoint of PR. This implies PN is equals to NR, or we can say that is, if I divide it by NR, I will notice that result of PN upon NR is also 1, because NR 1's are NR. Equation number 2. So if I conclude from these two equations, that is PM upon QM is 1, PN upon NR is 1. So what we can say? PM upon QM is equals to PN upon NR. From 1 and 2, we conclude that PM upon QM is equals to PN upon NR. Now I want to ask you to recall the statement of the converse of BPT. What is that statement? In a triangle, if a line is drawn in such a way that it separates the two sides in equal ratio, then it has to parallel to third one. So if we apply this ratio with the statement of the triangle, that is with the statement of the converse, PM upon QM, we say PM upon QM is equal to PN upon NR. So what we are finding? We are finding that MN is such a line segment which is separating PQ and PR in equal ratio. So by converse of BPT, we can say that line segment MN is parallel to QR, that is the third side of triangle. So very conveniently, we have shown that in a triangle, if the line segment which is joining the midpoints of two sides is definitely parallel to the third side by using the converse of BPT. Now we will explain you some important theorems like Pythagoras and its converse and their applications.